So, what are you going to do for me? And how do you do SMM in Hebrew? Look at this video and please, after you watch, write a summary of what you did see, not with my words, but in your words. It's very important so I can see that you understand what I'm expecting of you. Like to-do list with checkbox, so because I like to work with to-do list. Okay, so let's start. I will send you a note in Hebrew, in Word or maybe in Skype. It's the same. You are copying it and paste it to your Word. You need to see in Hebrew, not like in English, from right to left. In English, you are writing from left to right. I will also send you the translation so you will understand the mission and what you are doing. For example, you have here a message that invites people to participate in open house of a painter. Of course, after you will put the message on Facebook, it will look like this with a video, because in this message is attached a video. Now it's your turn to think, because you are SMM specialist. So you need to sit and find the words. After you understand what the message is dealing with. For this example, it's a painter, so art, artist, fine art, everything in English. Maybe people that, maybe places that you think people have money, also good. Also, Bat Yam, this is a place that the painter is doing open house. So you are making a long list and writing your SMM strategy. What exactly you're going to do. And do it like to-do list. You are sending to me your list to improve it. Then you are taking your words, here for example art, adding the word Israel. Why? Because you want Hebrew speaking, not art all over the world. You want only people from Israel. Then you are making a list of interesting pages and groups and asking to be a friend of them. Use Google Translate to understand a bit, not a lot, a little what they are talking about in the group. You don't need to be an expert in the group, but little 1-2 notes to read and see if it is really active or not. Then you put everything to Excel and send it to me. I want at first frequently reports every half hour, because you don't know the work yet, and I want to see we are working together at first. This is why I need to know the exact hours that you want to work, because I want to be there with you. Look at it like someone in the office sitting with you and teaching you the job. Of course, if you will be a good worker and I see that I can give you your time, it will be less frequently and less frequently these appointments and these reports. But at first, even if you didn't do almost anything, even if you think you need to send a report with the changes and write to me, I was thinking for this and this minutes. Okay? You need to understand that at first I need to teach you and to see if you are qualified for me. Then, after I approve the list, you are just doing copy and paste to the message. After a while, when I see that you are doing it alone, no problem. Maybe you will not need to wait for approve. But at first, you need to be with me. You need to send me an Excel. In this Excel, you need to say who did you ask to be friends and the URL. How did you find them, the time, etc. Everything that you can put on the Excel can help me. After you finish the words that you send me with Israel, I will send you a list of words in Hebrew. Then you don't need the word Israel with them. So you just look for groups, Facebook, LinkedIn, or even discussions groups, everywhere that you can do SMM. And you look at Google Translate, not a lot of time, one message, two message, to see what they are talking about. You don't need to know exactly. Check that you didn't put any message yet, or if someone else that works for me didn't put in the near time message, so it will not be double. And of course, copy paste the message. If someone asks you a question in a group, no problem, take it to Google Translate. If you understand it and you can answer, good. You can answer in English, not in Hebrew, because although the message is in Hebrew, by the way, maybe I will do another message in English, but although the message is in Hebrew, almost everybody knows English. So you should answer in English. If you don't know the answer or you're not sure, please send it to me. And of course, put it on the Excel. Then I will send you the answer that you should answer in the Excel. Please, in the Excel, put a column especially for my answers, so you could know very fast which answer to which question. Sometimes it will be in Hebrew, sometimes in English. I will correct you. Okay, if you have more questions, please ask. I really appreciate if you will ask me. Really, don't be shy. And of course, I will be waiting for your summary to see that you really didn't understand and you did a to-do list for me. Thank you.